In this video, I'll explain how I diagnosed and fixed a P0446 error code on a vehicle. This code points to an issue with the evaporative emission system vent control circuit. Here's how I solved the problem. When the customer mentioned that the check engine light was on, I started by connecting a diagnostic scan tool and found the P0446 error code. This indicated a potential issue with the EVAP system. Next, I visually inspected the EVAP system for any obvious signs of damage or faults, but found nothing unusual. Using the scan tool, I attempted to seal the EVAP system, but the EVAP canister vent solenoid failed to respond. This led me to suspect that the vent solenoid might be faulty. I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the EVAP canister vent solenoid and found no visible issues. With the ignition on and engine off, I used a multimeter to test for voltage and ground at the solenoid connector. Both were present, which confirmed that the wiring was functioning correctly. To verify the solenoid itself, I used the multimeter to check its continuity. The test showed no continuity, which confirmed that the EVAP canister vent solenoid was faulty and needed replacement. After replacing the EVAP canister vent solenoid, I cleared the error codes and took the vehicle for a road test. The vehicle performed perfectly, the check engine light did not return, and no new fault codes appeared. If you're dealing with a P0446 code, this step-by-step approach might help you resolve the issue efficiently.